Hello guys. Here again with it's Ivan Ahereza, your host. And as I promised, I would make a video about DeFi real estate, and here I am. So basically in this video, you're going to be exploring different fields of real estate and top-notch things that you need to know before getting into the industry. So hang around, let's be right back.
It takes some finesse. I sing you finesse.
Well, welcome back from that short break, and let's get to know what real estate is. So to me, real estate is having ownership and possession over land, and in that land you need to have buildings, look at homes. It could either be for residential purposes or commercial purposes, and having the rights to sell and transfer it to market. So to me, that's how I understand real estate. And after that, let's get to know the types now in real estate. What are the types of real estate? Because there are very many types of real estate, and let's get to them also.